Hey guys, this is Jeff over here at Cross Jeep. Today I'm bringing you this super cool, super low mileage TJ Brute, built by American Expedition Vehicles out in Missoula, Montana by Dave Harrington and the guys. It's got some awesome features along with only 17,215 miles. It's light new. I'll show you some of the features it has today. Up front, it's got the clear paint protection film on the hood and on the fenders to keep this paint looking as new as it is. IPF headlights, IPF super rare lights mounted to the Mopar rock crawler bumper. Warn power plant winch, which not only has the winch with the synthetic line, but also the air compressor to air back up your tires. As we come over here, we'll check out a little bit underneath. It's got the super famous Old Man Emu 2-inch suspension lift. Along with the Highline fender flares, it allows you to put 37-inch BFG KM2s that are wrapped around these super rare Pintler beadlocks. And those are in TJ bolt pattern, 5 on 4.5, so they bolt right up without any spacers. Like I said, you've got the Highline kit, raises the fenders from here to here with the Highline hood and the special fender flares that come around here. It's got the AEV decals here and on the windshield showing that they built it out there. The power plant on this is the 4.0 straight 6, matched up with got a leaf in there with the 6-speed manual transmission. Super clean, doesn't look like it's ever been off-road. Got these seat covers, neoprene seat covers, I believe have been on it since new, because the fabric is absolutely new underneath here. Doesn't look like it was ever set in. Super clean inside now. Back here we have this super custom one-of-a-kind bed rack that was made by AEV. This is one of 3 that we believe were put on here from the factory from AEV. We previously owned the other 2 here at Cross. They've since found new homes. And this is the 3rd one we've ever seen or known of. If anybody knows any different, feel free to let us know. Back here you've got the bumper or bumperettes that come along with the Brute package that keep the bottom of the bed from getting any damage when taking it off-road. When we raise up this cover that goes over the bed, it's hooked right back here. I'll unhook it. We have a spray-in bed liner, 5th wheel and tire that looks like it was never mounted, and a toolbox up front to store your stuff in. We've also got an original, everything is IPF with the lighting, but we've got this IPF backup light that operates from inside the cab. You can just see the quality of the work in the inside of the bed that looks like it's never been used. Probably one of the cleanest low mileage TJ Brutes out there right now. Rear winch, tow package, match up some of the options on this. Show you one last look for the side. This one is currently available. It's on our website, listed under boring vehicles. Feel free to find it there, contact me directly, and I'll put you in touch with somebody who can tell you more about it. Thank you.